Studies have shown that short-term stress could boost the immune system, but chronic stress has a significant effect on the immune system that ultimately manifests into an ailment. Do you agree to that, my friends? Well, even some of the surveys have shown that no country has been able to escape this epidemic of stress. Though percentage could vary, even globally, more than 1 in 3 people said that they experienced a lot of stress during the previous day. What about you? In fact, countries like Greece, Philippines, Sri Lanka, and even USA are in top 10 countries who have the highest stress level amongst people. But to overcome this stress and stop diseases to manifest into our body, what can be done? If I say you already have powers to heal yourself, yes, my dear friends, you heard it right. You have the powers to heal yourself. And that's how God has made us. Well, if you are suffering from anger, anxiety, insomnia, migraine, back pain, or any kind of physical, mental, or emotional pain, then this podcast is for you. Hello and welcome, my dear friends. I am Amit Kriplani and I am bringing a brand new show for you directly to your beautiful ears via all the major podcasting apps like Spotify, JioSaavn, Gaana, Apple Podcasts, and more. The podcast name is Heal and Win, the Healers Podcast, because I believe that there is a healer in all of us. In this podcast, I will be sharing easy to use tips and techniques to help you overcome your pains. Not only this, it will also inspire you with enlightening stories from genuine healers and individuals who have healed themselves, sharing their experiences, how different yet simple healing techniques have transformed their lives. So, this podcast will be based on my own personal experiences and experiences of various healers like you. So, my friends, join me on 8th August when the first episode of my podcast would be available on all the major podcasting apps. Well, I am pretty excited to connect with you all and hope the same from you. And if you want to share your views, comments, expectations, or have any specific questions, feel free to drop me an email at healandwin.ak@gmail.com. Thank you for listening and keep smiling until we meet again in my first episode. Stay blessed and keep spreading love and happiness to heal yourself and others. Your friend and healer Amit Kriplani signing off. Bye.